Yeah, we are the cheeks, we are the cheeks. It's the cheek life, yeah, you already know. Ladies and gentlemen, rock with the cheek flow, bringing our life tune into the way we grow. From Raelyn and Ravin, Elliston and Elliot, vlogging our life on the go, giving praises to the one who really know. Cause of him, this is how we be, the cheek flow, yeah. This is the cheek family and how we flow. Ladies and gentlemen, rock with the cheek flow. My eyes have seen the glory, yeah, for sure. It's the cheek family and you already know. Woo!
Good morning, it is Thursday morning. We're still in Jacksonville, but we are on our way to, can you guess? Orlando, Florida, Disney World. Yes, we're going to Disney World today. So we have 2 hours from Jacksonville to get to Orlando. Kissimmee is where we're going to be staying. So we're going to be checking in and then hitting Animal Kingdom this afternoon. So I'm trying to get everybody breakfast so we can get out of here. Here the kids. You got on the Mickey out. I'm watching TV. So yeah, we're trying to get out of here at a reasonable time because we got this Genie Plus and Magic, you know, the Genie Plus thing. So it's like on a time schedule. So hopefully it'll work out for us because it's an app and sometimes apps can have glitches and stuff like that. So I paid my money, and that means I paid Genie Plus for each person in my party, which is 4 people in my party. So I paid a total of $60 for Genie Plus. So today we're doing the Magic Kingdom and we're gonna do the Park Hopper option. So we're gonna hang out at Magic Kingdom, then hop over to Hollywood Studios. We're gonna see how this gonna go. I don't know, cause you know this is our first time in my first time in a long time in Disney, because I was a baby. So things have changed, and my kids are going for the first time as a family. We're all going to Disney World, but I don't know how it's gonna work out because, like I said, we're in Jacksonville. It's 2 hours and 2.5 hours to get to Orlando, so we gotta hop on the road, and then we'll let you know once we get there. All right, happy Thursday on our Florida vacation. I wanted to show y'all my outfit that I'm rocking to the Magic Kingdom today. And my ears. Got my ears and my all the way down to my pump. I'm trying to do animal print. Trying to do the Animal Kingdom print. And my shirt. I tried. I really did. I tried. So, yeah. Well, we'll see. It's probably going to be some stuff that we can get to at Disney World, so I'm excited about that. You know, that'll hook up our gear, our Disney gear. So this is shoe cam. I love these pink pumps, and my little shirt, and my little Disney ears. So hopefully I will be Disney ready, hopefully. Hey, say good morning. Got on dinosaur shoes, represent Animal Kingdom.
And these represents on the Disney princesses.
Yeah, you have I think unicorn shoes. Dinosaur shirt.
Hang on there.
we made it to Disney Animal Kingdom. Yay, and it's raining and it's cloudy and rainy, but it's okay. We made it.
Daddy.
So we're getting in our parking.
I want to go on the ride.
Hello. Flash your lights on. Thank you. To drive slow. Keep our reservation. We're gonna need to keep this. I don't know, baby. I don't know. We're in Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. My kids are excited. It is rainy. We're late though, because you know, when you go to these theme parks, you got to be early because you're not going to be able to ride nothing. But I guess we'll just sightsee for our money.
Well, you can see the animals.
Yeah, we can see animals. We won't get to ride nothing. Because when you book something, you got to book it early. I mean, you got to get up early. Like 7 o'clock like we did today, but to be at the theme park. Looks like the rain is coming. And is this the parking? Oh my God. So we're here around 11:52.
Oh, I feel like the afternoon. I thought it was afternoon.
That's because we just got off the road, literally, and so you're gonna do these theme parks. You gotta do them early, or there won't be nothing left. Because we got the genie, and the genie's telling us that there's nothing left. It's nothing. It's nothing. Yeah, the genie.
Genies are not.
Oh wow, they gotta walk. Gotta walk all the way to the. Come on. At first I wonder why they would take all that. All right, guys. How do we go to the Animal Kingdom show? We don't have a map, do we? Finally made it to Animal Kingdom. There's the Tree of Life. Elliston, don't run in nobody.
Take a picture of there. You see that Tree of Life? I wonder if it's a tree, real tree.
Probably a Disney animated tree.
No? You don't want to be part of the
Tree of Life. Now, what time is it? Because we're supposed to go see the Lion King, wherever that is. It starts at 12:30. Where is it? Waiting on the Festival of the Lion King.
Let the kids and cheer.
Other electronic device.
External lighting.
Once the show begins, this entire theater will be filled with our performers. If you need to leave for any reason before the end of the show, please see one of our cast members for assistance. Our show will begin in just a few minutes. Thank you.
Exploradores y aventureros, bienvenidos al Teatro Jarambe para la presentación de A Celebration of Festival of the Lion King. Por favor, tengan en cuenta que está permitido tomar fotos y grabar video.
Amari, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you one and all to a celebration of Festival of the Lion King. Welcome to the world. Oh, to full of love. In this land. Welcome to the world. Karibu. Oh, welcome. our band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume, and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa,
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
and this is Kibibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift. The gift, and if you want to stay good looking, you'd best back off the attitude, mister.
Oh, okay. Hey, everyone. I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful, right on time. Everyone, listen.
Ma'am. Let me see your ice cream. Yeah, Mickey Mouse ice cream. All right, guys. Guys are eating your Mickey Mouse, and Daddy, you got your. What is this?
Banana chocolate nut.
A banana chocolate. What we eating?
Yeah, so be careful. Your water bottle is fine.
It's getting hot.
East Africa, okay, they try to make it look like Africa.
It just look like Africa to you?
Not really. Elliston.
Elliston and Raelyn. Banana nut.
Is it good?
The nuts are and the chocolate. Elliston, let Elliston see, Daddy. Gonna go see. It's tough to be a bug because it's the only thing that 1 minute wait time. So we're gonna go see. Tough to be a bug. A cave.
Got it. Thank you. I believe in you. Let's get money.
There's a lot going on in Hollywood studios. There's a lot going on in Hollywood. They got dogs out here. I wonder. Alright, we're in Hollywood. Hollywood.
Look at the buildings, Elliston. You're walking downtown.
Okay. There's Mickey and Minnie in front of the building. Raelyn, you gotta pay attention, baby. You gotta look forward. You gotta look forward. Elliston, you tired?
Throws herself down his life. Keeps me.
Oh God. Oh my goodness, there better not be a line for blue milk. All right, run in the line, baby. Get in there fast. I can't catch up. Hurry, 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 hurry. Come on, baby. Just... All right, guys, let's go get the milk. Blue milk. Blue milk. Blue milk. I'm gonna taste the blue milk. Thank you.
Let's go this way.
Thank you.
Almost tastes like a bubble type or candy type.
They're robots.
Yeah, but you think so?
We're in Galaxy World, so they have robots here.
And what better way to celebrate Arendelle than for the royal historians to share the story of our kingdom? Oh, and our queen, who just happens to be my sister, Queen Elsa.
Is she here?
Yes, I have been waiting so long for this moment. Oh, I don't know actually. Oh, have any of you seen my sister? No? Well, she's about so tall.
Buzz. Take a picture. Whew. Elliston. Y'all want some pictures? Maybe we're gonna get there.
Really ask how is it?
Wow. Come on, baby. Keep the line going. I'm in Toy Story Land. And it's crowded. Elliston and Raelyn, you might want to keep up. Catch up. I'm sorry. Elliston. Woo-hoo. Raelyn.